Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at adjectives which have two forms, the ed form and the ing form. Are you bored or are you boring? Are you tired or are you tiring? Some people find it very difficult to decide which one to choose, so today we'll be looking at the differences. So here's a list of the most common adjectives that have two forms: tired, tiring, bored, boring, confused, confusing, excited, exciting, exhausted, exhausting, surprised, surprising, annoyed, annoying, disgusted, disgusting, depressed, depressing, interested, interesting, frustrated, frustrating, worried, worrying, terrified, terrifying. So, what's the difference? Well, the ed form of the adjective is used to describe emotions and feelings, whereas the ing form is used to describe personalities and characteristics. You would say, I am bored. I don't have anything to do. I am boring, on the other hand, means other people do not find me interesting and they do not want to spend time with me. I am tired. Why am I tired? I'm tired because I have been working all day. Work is tiring. Usually something is the ing. Work is tiring. This movie is boring. My friend is not interesting. And because my friend is not interesting, I am not interested in his discussion. Okay, so you could say, I am interested in history. This means that history is interesting. I think history is interesting. I couldn't pay my restaurant bill as I had forgotten my wallet. I was very embarrassed. It was embarrassing. He always works hard. It's not surprising that he's always tired. I'm not surprised that he's always tired. Okay, so let's look at some examples. The first one, the teacher's explanation was something. Most of the students didn't understand it. Is it confused or confusing? The teacher's explanation was confusing. Most of the students didn't understand it. The explanation is something, therefore it's the ing form. I'm starting a new job next week. I'm very something about it. Is it exciting or excited? It's excited because it's my feeling. I'm very excited about it. Liz is a very something person. She knows a lot, she's travelled a lot and has done lots of different things. Interested or interesting? Interesting. Liz is a very interesting person. She is interesting, therefore I am interested. The kitchen hadn't been cleaned for ages. It was really something. Is it disgusted or disgusting? The kitchen was disgusting. It was disgusting. It was really disgusting. It wasn't clean. It carries the ing usually. I was disgusted. It was disgusting. I've got nothing to do. I'm... Is it bored or boring? I'm bored. Is my feeling. I'm a bit something that he didn't phone me. Is it worried or worrying? It's my feeling, so I'm a bit worried. My feeling, ed, I'm a bit worried. That film was really something. I jumped out of my seat about 5 times. Is it excited or exciting? That film was really exciting. Films are things, they don't have emotions, the ing form. There are also some other adjectives which have 2 forms, but not necessarily ed and ing. Scared, scary. I was scared. It was scary. Upset, upsetting. I was upset. It was upsetting. Stressed, stressful. I was stressed. It was stressful. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, leave a comment, and I'll see you again soon. That's all for now. Bye.